way I do. So today in this video I'm sharing with you some kind of makeup tutorials like face art. So are you guys excited? I am super excited. So don't wasting you too much time. Let's go. Actually, the trend on Instagram was emoji challenge makeup. So I liked that. Then I tried it too and thought I would share it with you. In fact, the video was supposed to be uploaded more than 2 months ago, but I could not find the time to edit it due to exams, classes, etc. So, as you can see, I first took what I gave as a vase on my face. Then the makeup start. The first emoji makeup is butterfly. So, first I covered the upper and lower eyelids with eyeshadows. Then I drew the border like a butterfly.
A few moments.
I hope you all know how to use makeup products, so I did not say anything about that anymore. Even I think everyone knows better than me. So at the end, I gave white dots with white acrylic color. I started with a white pen at first, but at the end, I painted with acrylic color. You can use whatever you want. So let's start the second one. The second emoji makeup is the combination of honeybee and honey chamber. But one important thing is that I have used acrylic color on my face to completely my own risk because there was non-toxic writing in my box. But in my opinion, those who have skin problem, even they have no problem or normal skin, but they should not use anything other than a good product or face color.
2,000 years later.
So as you can see, I used a new non-sharp pencil for honeybee chamber size, but it was getting too late, so I quick drew with a brush. You can use whatever you want. Then I used a dark orange color first and then black at the end to make the chambers look like realistic. Then I drew two realistic bees in two chambers. So it's complete. So this is the number 3 emoji makeup, which is a combination of spider and spider web. It has taken lots of time and lots of hard works. You can also use this face makeup on Halloween theme. First, I drew the spider webs with the help of eyeliner. Then I drew the realistic spider. The look is not understood here. if you want to see the full looks, you can go to my Instagram account and you can see there. The link of my account is given in the description below. So finally we reached the last one. It is a combination of mermaid and pearl, but sad to say I could not shoot it much because my mobile was out of charge. But still I tried to share with you as much as I could. By the way,
A few moments later.
so let me know how you like it in the comment section, and if you like it, please do subscribe and don't forget to like, comment and share.